Have you ever wondered why water, H2O, is bent and not a straight line? Or why methane, CH4, forms a perfect pyramid shape? The answer lies in an invisible force that shapes our entire world. It's a principle called Vsepr theory, or valence shell electron pair repulsion. The idea is surprisingly simple. Electrons in the outer shell of an atom are all negatively charged, and like charges repel. They want to get as far away from each other as possible. This constant pushing and shoving is what dictates a molecule's final 3D geometry. Think of it like tying balloons to a central point. If you tie two, they'll point in opposite directions, forming a straight line, a 180-degree angle. That's a linear molecule, like carbon dioxide. If you tie four balloons, they won't form a flat square. They'll arrange into a three-dimensional tetrahedron with 109.5-degree angles between them, just like methane. But here's the twist. Some electrons exist as lone pairs instead of forming bonds, and these lone pairs are bullies. They're pushier and repel more strongly than bonding pairs. Take ammonia, NH3. It has four electron domains like methane, but one is a lone pair. This lone pair shoves the three hydrogen bonds closer together, creating a trigonal pyramidal shape with bond angles of about 107 degrees. Water is even more extreme. With two powerful lone pairs, it pushes the hydrogen atoms into a bent shape, squeezing the angle down to about 104.5 degrees. This isn't just abstract theory. A molecule's shape determines everything: its polarity, how it interacts with other molecules, and its biological function. The specific bent shape of water is why life as we know it exists. So, the next time you see a chemical formula, remember it's not just a flat collection of letters. It's a dynamic, three-dimensional structure, all shaped by the simple, powerful dance of electron repulsion.